Hello everybody, I am Anurag Misra and in this class we shall study English of class 12, and in this section we shall study poetry, and this poetry has been taken from main course book of class 12, that is Flamingo. And as you all can see, the name of the poetry is My Mother at 66, and this chapter is written by Kamla Das. So I have given some points about this poetry. First of all, I have written about the poetess Kamla Das, what is she. Then you can also see difficult words, and I have given summary also. And this summary is detailed summary, efficient. You can form question answer, and at last I have given some important questions to write. After going through the summary, try to write these questions answer and send me your answers. I shall examine the answers and give you remarks. So first of all, let's learn about this poem, My Mother at 66. And let me tell you, students, this poetry, My Mother at 66, is written by Kamla Das. Kamla Das is from Kerala, and she has written many poetry in India. She is also known as one of the foremost poets of India, and she has written poetry on the theme of human quality, human relationship, and human values. In this poem, My Mother at 66, she has written about mother and daughter relationship, which is very important. She describes her mother. This poetry is about her own life, the interaction between her and her mother. So once Kamla Das went to her native place. After staying there some time, she had to go to her working place. And while she was going to the airport, her mother accompanied her to the airport in a car. When both were driving to the airport in a car, Kamla Das saw her mother's face. She was sleeping with open mouth, and her face was very pale. She was very weak. When Kamla Das saw her mother's face, it was just like a dead body, and she thought that this might be the last meeting with her mother. So she became scared. She feared that she might lose her mother. So this bad thought came to her mind, and she wanted to remove this bad thought. So she saw outside the car window. She saw green trees going back. She saw happy children coming out of their homes. And these scenes removed that fear. When they reached at the airport after the security checkup, Kamla Das had to go. Again she looked at her mother's face. Again that fear that her mother might die soon came to her mind. And again she feared. She looked at her mother's face. She told, "See you soon, Amma." And she smiled and smiled. She smiled to remove the fear which was in her mind. And at last she told, "See you soon, Amma." And then Kamla Das went from there. So, students, this chapter is all about, as you can see, I have written about the poetess in very detail. I have written difficult words for you. I have prepared summary. It is detailed summary, efficient summary. Go through the summary word by word, and after going through the summary, make question answers. I have given some question answer also. Try to write these answers and send me. I shall examine and give you remarks. And I am sending the PDF files also of these pages which I have written for you. So study and stay at home, stay safe, protect your family also from corona. Thank you.